Okay, we have done with this screen all the what we call, we have taken up all the locators from this screen. Now I have to go to checkout. So I have to work on this page. Okay, I have to, no. Before that, this is a cart page. Okay, so I have to check the cart items. I can remove them also. I can click on continue shopping also. I can continue shopping and check out. So I have to take these locators. So let's create the cart page. I go over here. We already created the cart page. Let's start with it. I am taking it very slow, okay, so that everyone can understand easily. So export, find class. Export class. I created such cart page. Fine. And what I need to export first? This page. You don't need. Then I will take this cart item. I will take this cart item. Fine. I can take just a second. Now, now what I can do. So if I inspect it, just let me check it. So actually, we are already checking this. Okay, we are already checking. First, let me take this remove button. So I will take it as remove flag backspace. Class is there. I will take it as class. Okay. So button small. I will take like this. Card. I will take like this. Okay. So I take the button first. So remove button locator. I will take. Fine. Then what I can take. I can take checkout and continue shopping. So I can take continue shopping. Okay, fine. And I can take checkout also. Okay, I can take checkout also. So, and see this item we are already taking there. If I take this, okay, cart item. Let's take this cart item. Okay. So I take this cart item. So these are the four things which we are going to work over. And these are the four items which we are going to work over. Now, now let me create a constructor. Okay. Remember, so what I do, this dot page is equal to page. If it is possible for you guys to do with me, that is wonderful.
Yes.
Fine, that is always wonderful. So if we are here and creating say page is this. So let's take this dot card items we can take this dot. The card items I can take is equal to page dot locator. Okay, let's go over here and let's see what are these. This is the full list, so I can take card item. Okay, and this is class. So class is always dot. Dot. Okay. Next, I can take remove button. Okay, so this dot remove button is equal to page dot locator. So see, you can take remove button like this also. You don't need to take full. You can take the part of it also because it should be unique. So I take say some this part. Only say I take is this part. Okay, of a class. Okay. So what I do, I go over here and dot remove button. Just don't give space. Give dot over here. Okay. This is one of the way you can take. Next is continue shopping button. I take this dot continue shopping button is equal to page dot locator. This is the continue shopping. Inspect it. I am taking the data set. Okay. Then let's take the checkout also. This dot checkout equal to page dot locator. And let's check checkout. So this is the checkout. Okay. So data test. I am doing data test. Fine. We have taken this. So let's now give a code for checkout. Click on it, and two places we have to give the code. One is for checkout, and one is for continue shopping. If I go over here, I give a sync, click checkout. Okay, I am creating the function await this dot checkout button dot. Okay, and we have one more continue shopping. So I am creating function for it also. A sync, click, click, continue, and await this dot continue shopping button. Set. So we have created all the locators over here and all the function. Next is checkout page. Right, I have given you 5 minutes. Write this code. Any question? Go through this page yourself. And see, I've done the simplest thing. I'm showing you the simplest way you can create a framework. Do it. Okay. Now let's go to checkout page. So if I open our checkout page, so in our checkout page, we have, let me create first for checkout page. The same thing as the cart has, and creating it. I will be creating for checkout page. Fine. So we have a page over here. Now, what all the locators we need to create over here? We need to create a first name, last name, postal code. I already have these three. Same way, not wasting much time. So we'll be creating for first name, last name, and postal. Okay. Now, next, for which locators we need to create a continue button and okay, continue. Why should we cancel? Okay, continue button I will be taking. These are the things. These locators I will be working on. Okay, but open your sites at your end. See what I am doing. Now, if I go over here, I fill the information and click on continue. So here you will get finish button. So I can create one for finish button also. Okay. So we will be taking for finish also. So let me take for finish. Now, if I click on finish, so let me take for finish also. If I click for on finish, charges also, I will get thanks for your order. Okay. I will get this summary total given. Fine, everyone.
Yes.
Yes.
You can see we have this summary total label also. So I call it as summary total label. So I create for it. Okay. And we have a complete header also. We have two things over here. We have a total. So I make it as I will take this summary total header. Okay. So I go over here and give read only and summary total label. Okay. Locator. And I create one that complete header is also there. Complete header should also be there. So I take a complete header, read only, and I make it as a complete. So these are all the locators which are available on this page. Correct. Now, what we need to do, we need to create a constructor. So I go over here, constructor, page, problem, this dot page is equal to page. So for what we have to do, we need to make get XPaths, class names for all this. I have to take for all this. I have to take for all. So let me just put like this first of all. So I take it same like this. I will do now. This dot first name, this dot last name, this dot postal code, this dot continue button, this dot finish button, this dot summary total label, restore completely. Okay, so I got this. And what I did is equal to delete it. I think this is page dot locator. Okay, we'll give a locator to it. Just a second. Give here also page dot locator. We'll give the locator here also. Let's copy this. You see, these are ways to make things fast. Hmm. Now we'll put all the locators which are there. Okay, I will put these things now over here. So how can I put it? If I go and inspect it, if I try to inspect it, if I go and inspect it, so I take first of all first name. So if I inspect it, so first name is our data set is there. Okay, data set is there. So I take it on the basis of data set. Okay, first name I take it on the basis of fine. Okay, now second is our last name. Inspect it. So data set for it also is there. So I take it on the basis of last name. Okay, then we go for postal code. Inspect it. Data set is there. Yes, postal code. I take it on the basis of postal code. Then is continue button. Inspect it. Okay, it is also having a data set with it. So I take it with the help of data set. Then we have a finish button. If you go into it, that inspect it. It is also having a data set. So let's take it as finish button. Then take the total summary label. Okay, let's inspect it. So this, let me take this. Let's take this also. Wait. Let's take this total summary level. Inspect it. Okay, I'm taking this total summary level. I am taking as a class dot. Okay, so I am taking as a class. So this total summary level. Then take a complete level. So it finish, which is getting expired. and this is the finish button. Let's take this finish button. So this is complete header. I am taking this complete header. This is a data set. Okay. Now let's take its class. Class is also there. Complete. That is it. Class is complete header. So I am taking complete class. Okay. So we have taken the created the constructor. Now what we have to do, we need to fill the information. Now we need to fill the information back. I need to fill first name, last name, everything. Okay. So I go over here, give patient, field, customer information, first, string, last, string, zip, string. Okay. Now I will fill or and click on continue button. So I fill with first name, last name, and postal code. Okay. So how can we fill? Await this dot first name input dot fill with first name. After that, second last name fill with last and postal code fill with post. And at the end, we will click on continue button. Go over here, await this dot continue button dot click. Okay. Clear till now? And at the end, we will be clicking on the finish button. Go to the website. Pressing, click, finish, await this dot finish button. Okay. So this is the total exercise which we will do on this page. Okay. So these are all the 4 pages. We have taken all their locators. Okay. Everything over here. Fine. Just go through it. Just go through it. Now I will not take more 10 more minutes. Okay, not more than it because I'm not in a hurry. Okay, to complete it. So what I do in test, I create a new, I delete this one. This is not required for us. I create our now one test case, a file, say e-commerce. Here I will write our all the test cases. E-commerce E2E dot SPC dot. This is the file. Now here what I need to do, first line will be always same. I have to import all these files now. Start, checkout, login, and login. Okay. So and they are under which folder? Pages folder. They are under which folder? Pages folder. So I need to import all of them. So import login page. Okay. So it is coming. Right. It automatically gives. That same way I have to import this inventory page because I will see remember I have given export over there. I need to import cart page. I need to import checkout page. This is fine. One more thing you need to create a folder that is data folder where, see now I will be taking data from a JSON file. So I have need to create a data folder. Okay. In this I create a file, say test data dot, I create a new file test data. Here I give say all the data. So what all data I need? I need username, password. First of all, go to your main page, log. You need your username and password. Okay. So you need to give first of all username and password. So JSON, you should know how it works. Okay. JSON, we need to read it. I will show you how we'll read it. So I give it username as valid username here. Then I give the valid password. We know the valid password secret source. So I give the valid password. Okay. After that, there is a logged user. See, there is I will create a test case for a logged user also. Suppose you gave some, you see it is there, logged user out, logged out user. If I give something information like this, login, so it will say user has been logged in, logged out. So this test case I will cover. Okay, I will give this logged user information also. After that, I will give a wrong, let's give a wrong user also. Let's give a invalid so that it will show invalid user. Now, if I logged in with correct user, okay, I need to click either on source back, left back, or this by click. Okay, so these are the products. So let me take it in a one more JSON, JSON inside JSON. So go over here, I create products. Products. Okay, fine. Over here, give it as backpack. What's the values? This is just shoes back. So take it like this. Why I'm taking like this is because if you expect it, we have sent the value in data set. So if I click add to item, so it is small. We have sent back add to cart. Remember tomorrow. After that, this value we are sending from our function. That's why I took it like this. Okay. And if I go with this also, second item I'm taking source backlight. Okay. Go over here, give backlight. This information. Next, we need to fill the customer information also. The first name, last name, and product. So I create one more inside adjacent to customer information. Fine. I give here first name. I give there as first name anything, standard user, last name, and postal code. I give all the information. Everything. And I created a new JSON. So now we will be taking this data. We are not hard coding our data. We will be taking the data from this JSON file. Write down this. Now let's go to US Commerce also. Now I will import our data also. Import star as say test data. Now this complete data will get imported from So dot slash data slash. Now this data will also get it. Now remember I told you about describe. Describe has the complete suite. It has the complete suite. In the under describe, we write all the test cases will come under a describe. So I create a describe. So I create like test dot describe. I go over here. Okay. Now, so we are going to automate our master comma. Okay. So this is the main test suite. And under that, I am going to keep many test cases. This is the main. Let me change the main. Okay, this is the main test suite. Under which that is showing. Okay. Now I will put all the test cases into. So we have a 4 pages login page. Let's create the variable for all the pages. Okay. Let login page login page. Let inventory inventory page column inventory page. Let cart page column cart page. Let checkout page. Okay. Okay. We have all this. Now, remember we did before each and after each, before all, after all in the last class that this should execute before every test case. Okay. Before all means before all the test cases. So now I want to initialize all these pages. Okay. I need to initialize all these pages with our constructor. So in every page you will find a constructor with page dot page. Okay. So I will be initializing them with all this. Okay. So how can we initialize it? How can we initialize this? The simple way.
At the rate before.
So if I go over here, test dot before each person page. Okay, I will take a page. Here I am going to initialize it. So how can I initialize? We all have the constructor for it. Just give login page is equal to new login and just send your page. In the same way, take inventory page is equal to new inventory page. In the same way, we will take the cart page also. In the same way, I will take the checkout page also. And now let's launch our website. await, login, page, dot navigate. So you have to trace everything. Login page, if you go to login page, what is the function navigate? It will go to your. Now we are going to write our test cases. Now we are going to write our test cases, everything. Okay, we are going to write around 20 test cases now. Okay, please write this down. Should I continue or let's connect tomorrow? Everyone.
Yeah,
Uh,
tomorrow.
let's connect tomorrow. Just want to know about this.
Tomorrow.
Everyone. I'm giving you the code. See, we have developed this framework. We have done so much things in it. Slowly, slowly, we are designing it. So we are developing 20 test cases with these things. Tomorrow, and you will go in the company, you will have 2000 test cases. You just need to know. I'm stopping the recording. Okay.